So I recently got my oil changed today and no one could help me. They didn't know how to reset it, so I had to figure it out. So watch this video and give it thumbs up, like and comment and subscribe if it was helpful. So first thing first, I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna crank it one. And when you see this, what I'll do is press this lever, press it, and it keeps changing. See, I have 58% oil life remaining. So I'm just gonna press it down, all the way down. It's now 100, and that's it. So I press out of it, go back to that, and that's it, guys.